So in 2000, I was looking for a new job when I showed up to interview here with Rick, the former owner, and I was working that day. So I showed up in filthy clothes and apologized for my appearance. I remember his first thing he said to me was that it would be weird if I'd shown up in a suit for a construction job. So my journey started here in 2000 as what we called then a labor position, and I've just built from there. What I do at A1DesignBuild is I am the estimating and contracts manager. Estimating is so important to the client because it helps them make their dream a reality. If we don't estimate properly, if we don't give the full attention the project deserves and kind of go a bit willy-nilly at it and just throw some guess numbers, our clients may not be able to move forward. If we're realistic, transparent, and upfront about what the potential costs are for their project, it's going to make the client more comfortable. They're going to understand the process better, and I think ultimately they enjoy the start to finish of a construction project more because they see what's coming. Well, I think it starts at communication and teamwork. If you are going to be a valuable asset in the work world or the sports world, you have to be all in, and you have to be all in for your teammates. My teammates, my coworkers here, I think it's very clear to them that I'm all in for their success. I don't need my name in lights, nor do any of them, but together, I think we have a team approach to the construction industry that's different from anyone else's, because we really have that extreme ownership, that belief, that buy-in, the desire to watch other people succeed. So I mentioned Coach Hatch being my favorite athletics coach, and that's true. But I think the most important coach I've ever had in my life is my father. My dad and I are close, to say the least, and he helped guide me through every phase of my life. So he's my hero, no question, and really has given me the want to be helpful and supportive. When I was young, my dad told me a quote that said, "Hard work beats talent when talent won't work hard." You can achieve your goals through effort. You don't have to be, the greatest athlete ever born. It's a matter of hard work, it's energy, it's accountability, and desire.